Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Dogs may not be the most intelligent animal, but surely the most affectionate one. This is the definition of a perfect day for all dogs' parents. The four-legged guardian angel always keeps an eye on our safety. Not every friend will jump into cold water for you like dog. You can't be sad for too long when you're surrounded with so much love. Best part of being a delivery man is you can befriend with many dogs.
You scared the bejesus out of me. Oh, you scared the crap out of me.
No man will dare to break her heart when she has such a bodyguard. Dog's biggest life mission: keeping human happy. Dog's quite busy. He had to wait for little human to come home all day. It's not about the game, it's about who you play it with. This assistant can't help Dad to fix his car, but will give him tremendous emotional support.
Hey, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Sweet moment of siblings playing together when parents are busy. Their friendship went over the barrier of difference. Secret to be happy all the time. Spend at least 30 minutes a day doing this.
Do you like it, Kiki? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, you're cute. Oh, you're cute. Oh.
When your dog's the happiest on your wedding day. Sleeping Beauty will have the best nap ever in Dad's arms. Every dog, no matter how big, is still a puppy that we can carry. They can even wait for us a lifetime. What did we do to deserve such love and patience? Sometimes you don't need fancy cars or big rings to be happy. Just this and your best friend. Dogs showing his shy human how to make more friends. Puppy can't live without mom's hugs. He needs this every day. You will want to finish your workout to not make this furry coach sad.
High five. High five. High five. High five. High five.
Watching TV could be the most exciting activity ever with your bestie. Life's too short to pretend that we don't like dogs.
Girl, no.
Puppy could be small, but his love for Papa is the biggest. Instant dopamine booster. Just 30 minutes of cuddling with dog.
Come here.
Dogs wish his parents will order more goods online so he could meet delivery man every day.
Hey, Jimmy.
You've become the target for dog to send love. You can't run. They're willing to spend hours together to make up and go shopping. Dog has protected him all its life. Now it's his turn. Dog has already fallen in love with the little human, even when they haven't had the first met.
No.
Saying no has never been so hard when seeing those puppy eyes.
No. No. Nope. Oh, no. No.
Dog's biggest nightmare: lack of humans' attention. They actually love all types of scratches. Thank you for watching.